Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can customize Windows 11. So let's get started. First of all, you get to head over and right click on your background and then you'll be able to see an option that says personalize. Click on that and you'll be redirected to settings. Over here, you can completely customize your PC, such as you can go to background and you can choose any image you want. You can also upload your own image and you can select the contrast themes, as well as we also have colors. You can select whether you want your mode to be light, dark, or any other custom. If you want transparency effects, you gotta turn it on. If you want them off, then you can obviously turn it off. And you can also change any accent color if you want to. And after that, we have is themes. You can install, create, or use any built-in themes of Windows you want. And after that, we also have dynamic lighting, lock screen, text input, start. You can change your recent apps from start. If you want more pins, you can select this one. This one is default, and we have more recommendations in this one. You can also go through some more settings over here for better customization. And after that, we have this taskbar. You can go over here and you can select whether you want task view widgets to be enabled. You can select pen menu if you use that, and some other stuff such as touch keyboard and virtual touchpad. And after that, we have the option of fonts and device usage. You can go to fonts and change your fonts to anything you want. If you want some new fonts, you can go to Microsoft Store or download it from the web and simply browse and install the font over here. So those were some of the few ways how you can customize your Windows. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.